Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My Or English. Today is day 17 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you about my biggest distraction. So, my biggest distraction is my mobile phones. I use my mobile phone lots of time. That means you can say that I spend my all time with my mobile phones. Starting from day to that time at go to the bed. First, I wake up in the morning and I'll check my phone for notification and check my mails, but there is no notification and not any important message. After that, I think I'll just check. I watch reels for 5 minutes, but when I watching the reels, it gets longer. I don't know when the 1 hour is completed watching the reels. In this way, my phone is getting lots of my time. Because of that, I am not able to do any other works. And between the whole day, I use my mobile phone for watching YouTube movies, cartoons, and watching reels and talking with friends. Because of the mobile phones, I am not able to do focus at any topic. You can see that I record my video with my mobile phones. That time I using the mobile phone in a good way, but after recording it, I'll upload it on YouTube. But after that, I use my mobile phone for watching reels, watching movies, watching geopolitics news right now. But in this way, I can say that my biggest distraction is my mobile phone. So I want to overcome this problem so that my mobile phone is not the biggest distraction, and I can use my mobile phone for my better improvement, self-improvement, and English proficiency. You can see this because of this mobile phone only I am able to take my challenge, and today is date 17, and day by day I am improving myself, and that improving is helping me lot of things in speaking English. So mobile phone is like a distraction for me also, and it is better for me also. But right now I use my mobile phone in that way, that in this way my mobile phone get distracted me. So because of this, right now for my biggest distraction is my mobile phone. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching me. See you guys in next day. Bye bye.